Joseph Murphy was a renowned author and self-help teacher whose teachings have positively impacted the lives of millions of people worldwide. His philosophy revolves around the power of the subconscious mind and how it influences our thoughts and actions. Through his books and lectures, Murphy inspired countless individuals to tap into their full potential and manifest their desires. In this video, we'll explore some of Joseph Murphy's most powerful teachings and how they can help you create the life you truly desire. These are Murphy's most powerful teachings, so make sure to watch this video to the end, and if you are visiting our YouTube channel for the first time, be sure to subscribe to our channel by pressing the bell icon for more content on manifestation. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number 1. Your concept of God determines your attitude toward life. According to the teachings of the renowned author and spiritual teacher Joseph Murphy, your concept of God determines your attitude toward life. This may seem like a bold statement, but Murphy asserts that it is impossible to refute. Many people may believe that they do not believe in God, but Murphy suggests that everyone believes in something, whether it is a belief in oneself, in aliens, or in an autonomous divine being. Everyone has a concept of what they believe in. And this concept of God, or whatever it may be, has a significant impact on one's attitude toward life. Murphy suggests that this concept is not limited to religious beliefs, but extends to every aspect of life. For instance, you could replace the word God with the word you, and the statement becomes your concept of you determines your attitude towards life. This is because your beliefs and concept of self have a direct impact on your attitude. Therefore, if you want to change your attitude towards life, you must examine your beliefs and the concept of God that you hold, regardless of what it is. As Murphy says, your thoughts and feelings create your destiny, and your concept of God shapes your thoughts and feelings. In other words, if you have a positive concept of God, you are more likely to have a positive attitude toward life. This is because a positive concept of God shapes positive thoughts and feelings, which in turn shape your actions and ultimately your destiny. On the other hand, if you have a negative concept of God, you are more likely to have a negative attitude toward life, which can lead to negative thoughts, feelings, and actions, and ultimately a negative destiny. Murphy's teachings suggest that our beliefs and concepts of God are not static and can be changed. By changing our concept of God to a more positive one, we can change our thoughts, feelings, and ultimately our destiny. Number 2. You are a master of conditions. The only path by which another person can upset you is through your thoughts. This quote encapsulates one of Murphy's core teachings, that you are the master of your conditions. Many of us go through life feeling like victims of circumstance. We blame our circumstances for our lack of success, happiness, or fulfillment. We feel powerless to change our situations and resign to a life of mediocrity. But according to Murphy, this is a self-defeating mindset that keeps us stuck in our current conditions. The truth is that we are where we are because of the actions we've taken or haven't taken. We've made choices that have led us to our current circumstances, whether consciously or unconsciously. And if we want to change our circumstances, we have to take ownership of our choices and take responsibility for our lives. This is not an easy idea to accept, especially if we've spent years playing the blame game. We've been conditioned to believe that our circumstances are the result of external factors such as luck, genetics, or the actions of others. But according to Murphy, this is a limiting belief that keeps us from realizing our true potential. When we take ownership of ourselves, we become empowered to change our circumstances. We realize that we have the power to create the life we want, regardless of our past or current conditions. We no longer feel like victims of circumstance, but rather masters of our destiny. Of course, this is easier said than done. It takes courage to take ownership of ourselves and our lives. It means admitting our mistakes, acknowledging our weaknesses, and facing our fears. But the rewards are worth it. When we take ownership of ourselves, we gain the freedom to live life on our terms and to create the future we desire. As Murphy said, the moment you realize you can change your life situation is the moment you bestow yourself with the keys to life. These keys are within our reach, but we have to be willing to use them. We have to be willing to take ownership of ourselves and our lives and embrace the power that comes with it. Number 3. Your dominant thoughts will determine your success or failure in life. Joseph Murphy believed that our thoughts shape our reality. He taught that our dominant thoughts have a significant impact on our success or failure in life. According to him, our thoughts act as a magnet that attracts corresponding events, circumstances, and people into our lives. Therefore, it's crucial to cultivate positive and empowering thoughts to manifest the life we desire. To fully grasp this concept, let's take a moment to reflect on our lives. Have you ever caught yourself saying something negative about yourself, only to find that it later came true? It's like we become our self-fulfilling prophecies. Murphy explains that our subconscious mind doesn't differentiate between positive and negative thoughts. It simply accepts whatever we feed it and works to make it a reality. Murphy says that our fears and worries will only attract more of the same. Instead, we must focus on positive outcomes and believe in ourselves and our abilities. As Murphy puts it, your belief in yourself and your ability to succeed is paramount to the achievement of your goals. It's not always easy to maintain a positive outlook, especially during challenging times. However, Murphy advises that we must make a conscious effort to control our thoughts and emotions. One way to do this is through visualization and affirmation techniques. By visualizing our desired outcomes and repeating positive affirmations, we can reprogram our subconscious mind and attract more positive experiences into our lives. Number 4. Your subconscious mind is powerful enough to create your desired life. Joseph Murphy teaches that your subconscious mind is powerful enough to create your desired life. He emphasizes that your subconscious mind can be your greatest ally or your greatest enemy, depending on how you use it. The subconscious mind is the part of your mind that operates below your conscious awareness. It stores all of your beliefs, memories, and experiences, and is the driving force behind your thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. Murphy believes that by using the power of your subconscious mind, you can create the life you desire. When you tap into your subconscious mind, you can access a wealth of knowledge and resources that you may not be aware of consciously. By using techniques like visualization, affirmations, and meditation, you can train your subconscious mind to work for you rather than against you. For example, if you want to achieve a certain goal, you can visualize yourself already having achieved it. By doing so, you send a message to your subconscious mind that this goal is already a reality, and it will work to help you make it a reality in your waking life. Similarly, if you want to change a negative belief or habit, you can use affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind. By repeating positive affirmations to yourself, you can overwrite old, negative beliefs and replace them with new, positive ones. Number 5. To succeed in life, replace your fears with positive affirmations. Joseph Murphy teaches that to achieve success in life, it is imperative to replace our fears with positive affirmations. According to him, our minds are the only barriers between us and our desired goals. If we constantly feed our minds with negative thoughts and self-doubt, it gets stored in our subconscious and creates mental blocks that prevent us from recognizing opportunities that come our way. Joseph shares numerous examples in his book about how positive affirmations have worked wonders in people's lives. For instance, he talks about how sick people have used their subconscious minds to become healthy and how poor people have attracted wealth and prosperity by affirming their desire to be rich. To overcome our fears and doubts, Joseph emphasizes the importance of using positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are powerful statements that we repeat to ourselves to change our mindset and attract positive outcomes. By using positive affirmations, we can reprogram our subconscious mind and attract success and abundance into our lives. Whenever we feel fear or self-doubt creeping in, Joseph advises us to use positive affirmations as a counterattack. He suggests creating a list of positive affirmations that resonate with us and repeating them several times a day. By doing so, we can change our mindset and attract positive outcomes. Number 6. Filling your mind with positive thoughts helps you manifest your desires. According to the teachings of Joseph Murphy, positive thinking is essential for achieving success and wealth. He says, "The greatest power in the universe is the power of your thoughts." This statement highlights the importance of having a positive mindset in our lives. Positive thinking is not just about having a good attitude or outlook on life. It's a state of mind that enables you to see opportunities in every obstacle and find solutions to every problem. It allows you to focus on your strengths and find ways to overcome your weaknesses. Many people blame their circumstances for their lack of success. They believe that their family background, education, or financial status is holding them back. However, the truth is that the only thing that holds you back is your thinking. If you believe that you are capable of achieving greatness, then you will find a way to do so. The power of positive thinking lies in its ability to shape your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is responsible for your thoughts, beliefs, and habits. It controls your actions and ultimately determines your destiny. If you fill your subconscious mind with positive thoughts and beliefs, you will attract positivity and success into your life. To cultivate positive thinking, you need to focus on positive thoughts and experiences rather than dwelling on negative ones. This doesn't mean that you should ignore the challenges and obstacles in your life. Rather, you should focus on finding solutions and opportunities in them. One way to cultivate positivity is by focusing on your strengths and accomplishments. This helps you develop a sense of confidence and self-esteem, which can improve your overall outlook on life. Instead of beating yourself up over your weaknesses, focus on what you're good at and how you can use those strengths to achieve your goals. Surrounding yourself with positive people is also important for cultivating positivity. Positive people tend to be supportive, encouraging, and uplifting, which can help you maintain a positive mindset. On the other hand, negative people can bring you down and drain your energy. Make an effort to spend time with people who inspire and motivate you, and distance yourself from those who bring you down. Creating a positive environment can also help you cultivate positivity. This can mean different things to different people. For some, it might mean decluttering and organizing their space to create a sense of calm and order. For others, it might mean adding plants or other natural elements to their surroundings. Whatever it is that brings you joy and peace, make an effort to incorporate it into your daily life. I hope I was able to provide a thorough study of Joseph Murphy's statement. Of course, in the end, everyone will form their own opinion, which is why we are analyzing and discussing his ideas and methods to fully understand his approach and general ideas, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to express your thoughts and take part in the conversation, leave a comment below the video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button for more entertaining, informative, and helpful videos about manifestation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.